developing effective rebuttals. Now, this is very crucial for any of the sales field. So, what is the importance of a rebuttal? So, it is very crucial, first of all, because rebuttals controls the conversations and the negotiations, right? And it really help you in handling any kind of objection with a very, very simple manner. So if you can do it in an effective manner, these rebuttals, then you can just seamlessly answer the queries what a customer is giving you. Then your response when a customer is having objection or asking for some question which is a very difficult one to answer, if you can have these responses in well crafted, okay, then that really helps for a prospect or a lead to exactly come out of these concern, and then you can give a positive outcome. So your response plays a crucial role here. So you know the objection, and if you're prepared, you know this is what my response would be. Then your chances of this conversation becoming a positive one are very, very high, right? Then it is now, for example, if rebuttals are not only addresses the objections but also helps in building up the trust and rapport with the prospects, because if you keep on doing the conversation, asking question, you're replying, then you're giving more statistics or examples, then a person is asking question, you are giving some example or showcasing something. So these kind of rebuttals really help you to actually build a trust from a customers, because the customer feels satisfied after hearing your responses, which is well crafted by all of you. The learning part or from the sales technique, lead, perspective coming to an end. So the key here while coming to the end of the module 8 is avoiding a common mistake. Now, how can you avoid a common mistake? Because as long as you're aware, okay, that there is a common mistake which generally happen when it's a while doing the prospecting, then you can always work towards improvising your strategies. So awareness is something which will help you to create a right strategy. The communication pitfall. So if your communication is poor, right, that creates a misunderstanding, and then you can lose your opportunities. So crisp, clear, effective communication is the key to successful prospecting. Then, sir, research and preparation. So, I think if you do more of a research from a for about your client, or what was the background, and if you come with full preparation there, then it becomes easy for you to understand your prospect clients, their needs, and as a result, you can offer the right solution to your clients. And if you, the moment you give the right solution, the chances of conversion goes very, very high.